Good morning, dear students. Today we will talk about the grammar that we will cover for the first quarter. For the first quarter, we will study everything about parts of speech or word class. In English, we have 8 parts of speech, but for me, I like to say 9 parts of speech because I like to add an article to the parts of speech, because in some books and some teacher, they said that an article is a part of an adjective. Okay, we don't care. For me, in English, we have 9 parts of speech. We classify them into 3 different groups. Group number 1, it's called noun group. Group number 2, it's a verb group. Group number 3, it is a supporting group. For group number 1, noun group, we need to learn everything about a noun. All of the members inside noun group, it is related to a noun. So we need to learn everything about a noun, everything about a pronoun, everything about an adjective, everything about an article, and SAT errors for each one, for each part of speech in the noun group. In group number 2, verb group, we need to learn everything about a verb and an adverb and all the SAT errors related to a verb and an adverb. In group number 3, supporting group, it is a supporting group because it supports the other 2 groups. We need to learn everything about a preposition, a conjunction or connective, and interjection, and everything related to SAT errors for the 3 members in the supporting group about a preposition, a conjunction or connective, and an interjection. Let's start with group number 1, a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a naming word for a person, place, thing, or an idea. So a noun is a naming word for a person, for example, teacher, a place, like school, thing, like desk, idea, like imagination. A noun has many different types. The types of nouns are a common noun, a proper noun, a concrete noun, an abstract noun, a compound noun, a possessive noun, countable and uncountable nouns. And for countable nouns, we need to learn how to change countable noun from singular to plural. Let's differentiate between common noun and proper noun, and to focus on the SAT errors for each one. Common noun, it is a general noun you can see everywhere, but proper noun, it is a special noun. Like inside the class, we can see a lot of girls, but each girl has a special name. Girl is a common noun, proper noun is Farida. Common noun, it does not start with a capital letter except if it is the first word of the sentence, but proper noun, it is always starts with a capital letter. For example, boy common noun, Ahmad is the proper noun, the special name for a boy, for a common noun. A chocolate common noun, but if you go shopping with your mom, you can find many different types of chocolate. Each one has its own name, like Kit Kat, Cadbury, Galaxy. A school is a common noun, but each school has a special name. So what is the name of our school? International Modern School Said Jalal. If the proper noun is more than one word, each word starts with a capital letter except the small ones. So here you will find 5 words just for one thing. So each word starts with a capital letter. We do not have small words. But my previous school, it was Continental School of Cairo. So Continental capital, school capital, Cairo capital, but of is a small word, so it does not start with a capital letter. Story is a common noun, but what is the name of the story? Alice in Wonderland. And we need to focus that if the proper noun is more than one word, all words start with a capital letter except the small ones. For proper nouns SAT errors, the verb of any proper noun is always singular, and this is one of the errors called subject-verb agreement. For example, the children here, it's the name of a story, it's the title of the story. So the children here, it's not a common noun. So the children, if the children works as a proper noun, as a title, as a name of a story, a song, an article, so it works as a singular noun and it takes a singular verb. The children, it starts with a capital letter without thinking, it's a proper noun. It works as a singular verb, singular noun, so it takes singular verb. The children is a wonderful story. At the end, we need to learn that some common nouns could be changed from singular to plural, but proper nouns we cannot change them from singular to plural, so they take singular verb. Thank you for listening and wait me for the other types for noun. See you later.